Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by sorting quickly. Remove stems and any discolored leaves so dirt doesn't redeposit. Place leaves into a colander, then submerge in the first bowl of cool water. Agitate gently with your hands to release surface grit. Once you see sediment settle, lift the leaves and transfer to the second bowl. Make sure to keep water levels shallow enough to avoid crushing leaves, and proceed immediately to the next rinse to prevent recontamination. You now perform the deeper clean. Add a mild cleaner, 1/2 teaspoons salt or 1 tablespoon vinegar per liter, to the second bowl, because low concentration acid or salt loosens clinging insects and dirt. Soak for 5 to 10 minutes and swish every 2 minutes, then lift portions into a fine mesh strainer and inspect under good light. If tiny debris persists, repeat the soak once more. Otherwise, drain thoroughly to remove the cleaning. You finish by rinsing each handful under cold running water for 20 to 30 seconds to remove residual cleaner and loosen dirt. Make sure to open the leaves so water reaches all surfaces. Once rinsed, shake well and use a salad spinner or gently pat with a clean towel until mostly dry, because excess moisture shortens shelf life. If leaves smell off, taste bitter, or feel slimy after cleaning, stop and discard. This indicates spoilage rather than dirt, so start with a fresh batch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.